Hold on, just for a second. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks are here, and this time, they look way too real to ignore. We're talking a slimmer design, a camera upgrade nobody saw coming, and yes, a price tag that might make you blink twice. These are not the usual fake renders or random fan concepts. These leaks come from trusted sources with actual insider information, and they match what Samsung's been testing behind closed doors. First up, design. Samsung is trimming the thickness, making it slimmer without losing battery life. The bezels? Almost gone, so the front feels like pure display. Corners are softer for a better grip, and the frame is rumored to be a new titanium alloy. Lighter, but stronger than the S24 Ultra. Then we have the cameras. The main sensor? A next-generation 200MP upgrade with insane low-light performance. The periscope zoom up to 7x optical without losing detail. And here's the big one, an AI-powered Ultra Night mode for both photos and videos, so even midnight shots look studio-ready. Performance. Inside most regions will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Samsung Artificial Intelligence, which means live call translations, smarter photo editing, and AI battery management that learns your usage to give you extra hours. Talk about battery. We're looking at around 5,500 milliamp hours with Samsung testing 65W charging. That's 0 to 50% in under 20 minutes. And here's where things get interesting. Leaks suggest the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra could start at around $1,399 in the US. That's a jump from the S24 Ultra's launch price, and it's bound to raise some eyebrows. But Samsung seems confident that the rumored camera overhaul, sleeker design, and AI-powered features will more than make up for the extra cost. So, slimmer body, titanium frame, upgraded cameras, AI features everywhere, and faster charging. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might just be Samsung's boldest Ultra yet. Question is it worth the jump, or will you hold on to what you got? Drop your thoughts below. If you love getting the hottest Samsung leaks before anyone else, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because the next S26 Ultra update could change everything, and you won't want to miss it.